How to concentrate while reading. 1. Choose the right environment. Choose an environment that is devoid of any distraction. You could choose to study in your room, class, or a library. 2. Set study goals. Study goals will guide you on what material or chapters to cover for each session. Ensure the goals you set are SMART. 3. Take notes as you read. Note-taking helps you to actively participate in your reading so you don't start daydreaming, but be careful not to copy back everything in your textbook. 4. Ask yourself questions. Asking questions as you read along helps you to pay better attention to what you are reading and also helps to improve your understanding. 5. Use the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management technique that allows you to read in short bursts of time while taking breaks. It gives you a sense of accomplishment as you achieve each study goal, which in turn helps to boost your motivation and drive to read more. So that's all for today's video on how to concentrate while reading. Be sure to follow, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is in my bio or description box below.